Brand new TYPHON Stomp V900, powered by the Kubota D1105 25 horsepower diesel engine with a 1.4-ton operating weight. Built for professional performance in compact spaces. Only 35.9 inches wide, making it perfect for gates and confined work areas. Delivers the power professionals demand. The 1,226 cubic centimeters Kubota D1105 produces 71.5 Newton meters of maximum torque. Reliable power for landscaping, grading, and material handling. The 33-liter, 8.7 gallons, fuel tank supports longer operating hours. Fewer refueling stops mean greater productivity. A 3-pump, 3-valve system delivers 48 liters per minute, 12.7 gallons per minute. Smooth hydraulic performance under demanding conditions. Supports advanced hydraulic attachments requiring independent circuits. Ideal for swing, side shift, and professional implements. Quick connect couplers simplify attachment changes. Hydraulic oil cooling helps maintain stable operating temperatures. Rated operating capacity of 1,014 pounds, 460 kilograms. Maximum load capacity reaches 1,102 pounds, 500 kilograms. Maximum operating height of 9.4 feet with a dumping height of 5.6 feet. Makes loading faster and easier. Its compact width easily accesses residential, farm, and demolition sites. Perfect for tight working environments. The triangular track system delivers excellent stability on mud, gravel, and uneven terrain. Built for confident operation. Dual joystick controls and a digital dashboard improve productivity. Designed for comfortable everyday operation. LED work lights, anti-slip pedals, and protective side guards enhance safety. Fully compliant with EPA and EU Stage 5 standards. The TYPHON Stomp V900 combines Kubota diesel power, advanced hydraulics, and compact performance.